what we are going to do, we will copy this program in the MATLAB file. Okay, so we can type the program in the MATLAB in the Word file and we can use it here. So to make a M file, we have to write a new script. So you can see this window will come. Okay, so let me just close this one. So when you open MATLAB, you will generally see command window. So we can use the command window as a calculator if you need to do only simple programming. And we can see current folder and the workspace. But when we are doing the program by using M file, we have to use a new script. Okay, so this window will appear, which is named as editor window. So here we are going to type our program. So I had already typed my program in the Word file. So now I'll just copy it from here and paste it in the M file. Okay, so you can even type it directly over here, but otherwise you can paste it here. Okay, so once we paste it, it will come like this. And see, after pasting here, you can even see this minus. It means this is the while loop, ending of while loop. It shows that while loop is ending here. Now this end is for this if. This end is for this if. So the moment you click here end, you can see if here. You can see an underline over if. See? Similarly, if we click here end, it shows, click on this end, it shows this is end for while. You can see here. Similarly, this end is for if. So in this way, you can see that if you have missed any end or not. So before running this, you must save this file. Okay, so for saving it, you have a button here, save. So you can save it anywhere, preferably in your documents or in D drive. So let's see, document, section method. See, it is an M file. So just give name bisection method. Okay, and you say save. Okay, now if you want to run, so note that it should be bisection method dot m. It should be an M file, otherwise you are not able to run this file. Now when you want to run, you can see here the run window, run cursor. Click on it, run. You may get this message. You just simply click on add to the path. Note that you have to save the M file without any spaces. It will not accept any alphabets. Like earlier I used bisection space method 1. It was not accepting. So that's the reason I got the error undefined function or variable bisection. Okay. So now I saved it as bisection method dot m without space, without numbers. It should contain only alphabets. Now you don't want this command in your window. So you just right click and clear command window. So this thing will disappear. Now it will clear the window. Now run the method. So now what it is asking, enter the value of the function. So let's say it is a tan x. So syntax, it is tan inverse of x. So it is also known as arctan. So the syntax to enter this function in the MATLAB is a tan x. Okay. Then, so now we enter the value of a, which is minus 4.9. Now it is asking value of b. Let's say 5.1. And suppose we want 2 decimal places accuracy. So it is asking enter tolerance. Then press enter. So see, it shows that root is achieved after 8 iteration. So you can extend the window like this and say these are the values of a, b and c, and these are the values of function of c. So we can even check the iteration and the roots. Okay. So now suppose we want to run it for the same function but accuracy different. So again it will ask you for the function. Now instead of typing the function, you can use the arrow key, the up arrow key. It will show you what you have typed earlier. So same function, the value of a you can get from here, value of b also from here, and tolerance, suppose you want to make 004 after 4 iterations. So after up to 4 decimal places if you need accuracy. So see, it shows for this one. Okay, so this is how we work on it.